G'day guys and gals. There's our old dam in Chiang Mai that we're no longer permitted to use. Bloody hell. But we did get permission to use it once today and Paul came to have a look at the boat. Sadly the motor failed and we didn't get to sell it. Had the motor not failed, I'm sure it would have been sold today. So all our energy and work for nothing so far, but Paul may still buy it. We'll see. We shall see. We're talking to the guy at Mojo. I'm not very confident about his ability to do the repair. I'm sure he's not a qualified outboard mechanic. He just knows a bit about them, like most people in Thailand. Anyway, we shall see.
Good afternoon, everyone. Have a wonderful day. This morning, Kun Paul, he came for visit to have a look the boat Susie 5. He interested to buy. Kun Paul, he from Netherlands, but he lived in Thailand 30 years and he can speak Thai very well. Big surprise to me.
I was amazed that the motor misbehaved. I've just never had a problem before, but I'm sure it's something as
Stuck in the
stuck because we haven't been using it.
Maybe stuck in similar last time. The insect stuck in that hole.
Yeah,
The ant.
won't be a big deal, but I'm inclined to go back to the guy at Lampoon.
Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe for our channel. Have a wonderful weekend.
Thank you guys. See you later.
Bye bye.